my heart. Let your flame consume the dark. Every fear and doubt will fade as your presence fills this place. We are burning, hearts awake, all for your holy name's sake. There's a fire within, unending flame. Spirit of God, ignite again. Every heart alive in praise. We are yours, forever changed. From the ashes hope will rise. Heaven's glory in our eyes. Let the world see who you are, Jesus Christ, our rising star. Fall like rain, consume the night. Fill this earth with holy light. Every tongue and every land will declare the great I am. Fire within, we burn for you. Hearts renewed and spirits true. Your revival never ends. Let your glory fall Fire within, we burn for you. Hearts renewed and spirits true. Your revival never ends. Let your glory fall calling believers to rise and sing. From the dust you lift us high, breathing life and opening eyes. Every crown laid at your feet, every throne bows to your seat. Heaven shouts in endless praise. You reign forever, ancient of days. Your kingdom knows no end. Your glory will defend. King forever, Lord of all. Your power breaks the darkness wall. You reign in truth. You reign in grace. The world beholds your radiant face. Every tongue will confess your name. Every heart proclaim your flame. From the earth unto the skies, Jesus reigns, the risen Christ. King forever, oh, your power breaks the darkness wall. You reign in truth. You reign in grace. The world beholds your radiant face. Alpha and Omega, great I am. Your glory fills the land. All honor, all praise we bring to our everlasting King. King forever, Lord of all. Your power breaks the darkness wall. You reign in truth. You reign in grace. The world beholds your radiant face. King forever, Lord of all. Your power breaks the darkness wall. You reign in truth. You reign in grace. The world beholds your radiant face. Heaven opens, earth resounds. Your presence shakes the holy ground. Light of glory, fill the sky. Jesus, Savior, lifted high. We stand in awe, we stand as one. All creation joins the song. This is the sound of glory, 시작